Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. What you see behind me is 2001 Toyota Tacoma. This one is 4-wheel drive manual 4-cylinder, and I got it today for the first time. So again, I'm going from the front to the back looking for the health of this truck, and I found some leak at the rear wheel. Let's go and look at it together. Everything looked pretty okay. The truck came here for the front brake repair, but here already you can see this is wet, right? But let's go look from inside. Do you see that typical oil coming out of that rear drum? How it's spilling out and so on while the tire rotates. You can see it's wet here, right? So what do you say? What is the problem with this one? And to get to it, I have to remove the wheel, right? So first I will remove this cap. Nice. The next will be using 21 millimeter, right? That's what it is, yeah. 21 millimeter lug nuts. It was interesting how after removing the lug nuts, this steel ring doesn't want to go off. The both front wheels, I had to hit them with the rubber mallet for a while, but this one is loose. Well, why? Because it's lubricated, right? The fronts didn't get any lubrication. Look at this. It's wet. It's completely wet. And we have a nasty leak here. Is this also lubricated? That it will go off without any tools? We will see. In different videos you saw me using these bolts, right? Which will pull that drum off. It's a big one. This is definitely a big baby. Is it correct? Yeah, this is the spot for these screws. And by screwing them in, it slowly pulls, right, the drum off. You just have to go nicely equally and feel it, because it might grab the brake shoes, then you will rip them off a backing plate. But this one is going easy, just making it easy on myself today. Is it already off? Almost. I can even use my fingers, right? That's how easy it is. So the drum is off, and obviously again it's completely full of oil. What is it? Is it the rear axle oil, or is it brake fluid, right? These are these two options for us, or it could be it's either brakes are leaking or it's the axle leak. Now let's find out. And basically, I'm pretty sure you will agree with me, there are only two sources of possible leak. It's here. That will be seals in this brake system will be leaking, and the fluid will be coming out of here, right? But look at that. That's perfectly dry. Now I have a thick stinking oil, like a gear oil, right? That's how it smells. It's very thick and it's all over. Now why is it up here, right? If the real seal on this axle will be leaking, you will say it will be only on the bottom. Well, it's because the whole drum is rotating and it's spreading it. And looking from all angles, right, I can see the fluid is not coming from underneath the brake system. It's actually coming down here. Hopefully you can see my finger. Yeah, that is where it's pouring down on the drum when it's present there. And then when it rotates, it's being spread all over. So basically that's a rear axle seal, right, which is leaking, which gave up, and there is slowly that gear oil from the rear differential, it's coming out on this side. So unfortunately this whole thing needs to be pulled off and the seal needs to be replaced. And here I will show you one more time that whole drum. You can see the area where the shoes are polishing it, right? But other than that, it's stained heavily by that gear oil. And this is so typical, right? You get someone with the car who tells you, yeah, I need a front brakes. When I'm braking, the whole car shakes. He actually tells me more like steering, but it's more like the whole car is shaking. Yeah, sure, one of the rotors is uneven, then it's a run out on the front, so that needs to be dealt with too. But that's a serious problem here that definitely affects braking. That 3 brakes are dry and braking normally, and this one is slipping on the oil, right? So everything matters, everything is connected, and it's a great example again that people come with their idea, but at the end I will have to deal with it completely differently. So I hope you find this video interesting, and please be subscribed. I have a ton of videos coming your way in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.